how to install previous driver or how can you downgrade to older driver version on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you install previous driver version on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just right click out of your Windows just at the bottom left of your screen. So simply right click on Windows, and now from here you'll have to just go the options like device manager. Okay, so from the device manager, choose the driver adapter whom you want to install previous driver. So simply I am choosing display adapter, and now from here you'll have to just select and open the driver. Alright, so from this section you'll have to go the option driver. Okay, so from this driver section you'll be able to see options like rollback driver. So after you click on that option, you'll be able to easily install the previous driver version on your PC or laptop. So although you can also update the latest driver from here by clicking on this update driver option. And now from here you can easily go these two options like search automatically for driver, or you can also browse your computer for the driver. So you can as usual do it from here, and from here you can also go the option rollback to install the previous version of driver on your PC or laptop. So these are the simplest and easiest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.